Good day everyone. I have Redmi 9 and recently I uploaded a video updating my Redmi 9 from MIUI 11 to MIUI 12. So I am getting many requests and asking me that how exactly I did that. Well, I'm going to show you and tell you how I update my Redmi 9 from MIUI 11 to MIUI 12. So today is 1st November 2020. MIUI 12 for global did not release yet, but if you can't wait for global MIUI 12, you can flash the China region MIUI 12 ROM on your Redmi 9 and update Redmi 9 from MIUI 11 to MIUI 12. But for that, you must unlock the bootloader of Redmi 9 first. You don't know how to do that? Tutorial video link is provided in my video description. Click the link, watch that video, unlock the bootloader of Redmi 9, which take around 7 days, which is Xiaomi official procedure. And after that, you can come back, watch this video and flash the China region MIUI 12 ROM on your Redmi 9. If you have any issues like sensor issues, you will see many issues will get resolved after flashing the China ROM when you start using it. My Redmi 9 bootloader is already unlocked. About phone, my Redmi 9 is still on MIUI Global, that is 11.0.8. The code is QJCMIXM. So if you are trying to flash China region ROM or Redmi 9, then the first thing you will have to save all your data on internal storage. This procedure of flashing will format internal storage. The data will get washed out. And check the battery should be charged around minimum 50%. We need a data cable and a computer for downloading few files. Now go to settings, then to Mi account. For example, if you are using Mi account, then sync Mi account first and then removed the Mi account. Same way, go to account and sync your Google account once, then remove it. If you have set lock screen password, then set it off also, right? If you have done all these things that I just mentioned, then power off your device right now. Moving towards my computer screen, let me show you what we have to download. This is the China region firmware for Redmi 9. The link is provided in my video description. Click the link, download the ROM fast boot image file. When you have downloaded the ROM, then extract it here. After extracting, download Mi Flash tool. We need to use this software for flashing the China region ROM on Redmi 9. After downloading the Mi Flash, extract this file here and then go to the extracted folder of Mi Flash and double click on this file. Install it on your Windows. Either you are using Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or Windows 10. This software will help us to flash ROM on Xiaomi mobile, plus all the drivers will get automatically installed after connecting the set in fast boot mode with Windows. So after installation of Mi Flash, then go to the extracted folder of fast boot ROM file. Double click on it. Another folder will be there. Double click on it and all the files are here. Now go back and rename this second folder. Press F2, then make it short. Bring it to M, press enter, and now copy this folder from here and go to your hard drive main partition. This folder must be copied to the main hard drive partition, either C, D, E, F, but it is supposed to be on main partition, right? So paste the folder here. Now double click the folder to check all the files are there. That's good. So far the thing is going so good. Now going to my desktop and double clicking on the Xiaomi Flash icon, which is located on desktop. Then click yes on another window and Mi Flash software will get open. Now click the select here, then go to the hard drive main partition where we have just copied that folder. This is mine one. Click on it, and this is the folder that I just rename it, making it short. Click on it, then click OK. The Mi Flash will make the ROM ready. Now moving towards my mobile phone. The phone must be power off. Boot the mobile phone in fast boot mode. For that, press and hold the volume down key first, then power key. Hold it, press until the fast boot screen appear on the mobile phone, then release both keys. Now connect the cable with mobile phone. Other side of cable must be connected with computer. And if you are connecting the mobile phone for the first time, Windows will start installing drivers. If you are using Windows 10, then the drivers will be installed hiddenly. Now click the refresh here, and it will show the set is properly connected. Now come down here. You will see the flash all lock is automatically selected. I will suggest you, so far you are using the MIUI China region ROM, so keep your bootloader, the set bootloader unlocked. Do not relock the bootloader as far you are using China region ROM. That is my suggestion. Now click here, scroll down and select the flash all from here. Must keep the bootloader unlocked if you are flashing and if you are using the China region ROM. Now click the flash button here and flashing will get start. Do not put any USB in your computer. Do not play any file, any video. Just leave the flashing to be completed. You cannot get any issue during flashing. After flashing, we will continue. The set will get reboot after when flashing get completed. Disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Computer work done. I will close this Mi Flash software. Now wait for the mobile. The mobile will start booting MIUI 12 on your Redmi 9 for the first time. The first boot will take a little long time, around 4 to 5 minutes. Wait for the first boot to complete, then we will continue. First boot complete, took around 4 minutes, and the first screen of MIUI 12 on Redmi 9, you're gonna see a Chinese language. So complete the setup screen. The next screen will show to select the languages. You can select, you can tap on English and continue. Finally, we got MIUI 12 on Redmi 9. Going to settings, then to my device. And here it is MIUI version 12.0.4. Going to all specification, here is the code that QJCCN. CN stand for China. Now there is one thing that I would like to mention, that China region ROM come without Google support. You will see no Google Play Store, no Google application will be on China region ROM. So getting the Google application, you have to, or we have to download and install manually by going to the Get apps. Now first of all, connect the Wi-Fi if you are in Wi-Fi zone, or if you have a data package, then turn on your mobile data. The China region have MIUI keyboard. The global have Google keyboard. After connecting the Wi-Fi or after connecting to the internet, tap the Get apps. Agree. After when this application open, you may see this type of screen that asking you to install all the selected app. You don't have to install all these apps, just tap and unselect all of it which are already selected. Now tap here. Another screen will be appear on your screen. Just unselect all the selected app. Tap here again, and the application will now run properly. Now tap on the search bar, type Google, Google. Tap on search, scroll down, go to the end, tap on this option, tap on Get. This is the application which will allow us to install all the required Google application. Now go back to the main screen and tap on the recently downloaded application of Google Installer. Tap OK and tap this blue circle icon. The downloading will start. Allow once, then wait, tap install. The first file already downloaded, install it. Now go back, tap on done. The second file will start. Allow once, install, done. Now this is what exactly we need to do, getting all the Google application on Redmi 9 MIUI 12 China region ROM. Now go back to the main screen. After installation all the applications which are required to get a Play Store, then do not open the Play Store. Go straightly to the settings, then to the apps, then to the manage apps, and tap the three dots and tap show all apps. Then type Google. Here are all the apps that we just download. Now click on each of it one by one. Tap on the Google Play service first, then tap clear data, tap manage space, and tap clear all data. Tap OK, clear, go back, then tap Google Service Framework. Same thing you have to do. Keep going like this. Done. Now just reboot the device for once. Now simply you can go to settings, turn on Wi-Fi, connect the internet, go to account sync and add account. You can see the Google account there. Simply sign into your Google account, then go back to and open the Play Store and download all the applications that you want to use. You can see that there is a search bar down there. I don't like it. I want to turn it off. Go to settings, then tap to home screen and home screen search bar. Turn it off. Remove, and there is no more search bar. You may find few things that you may not find in the global variant to MIUI 11 ROM. So I have successfully flashed MIUI 12 ROM on my Redmi 9 China region, and also I got the Mi Dialer application. I have the call recording option. If I want to record calls automatically, I can do that, and if I want to record manually, also I can do that. And plus the Mi SMS application is also there, and also the Google application. I will suggest you, if you have unlocked your Redmi 9 bootloader already, then try to flash this fast boot flash ROM file of China region MIUI 12 on your Redmi 9. Use it, you will enjoy it. Give a thumbs up to this video and take a good care of yourself. Thank you. Goodbye.